Meaning of disown.
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 Disown. The term disown refers to the act of renouncing or disavowing something or someone, usually a family member or friend. It is an official or formal declaration that one no longer wishes to be associated with the person or thing in question. This can be due to a variety of reasons, such as disagreements, misconduct, or simply growing apart. The result of disowning someone or something is that the person or thing is no longer recognized or acknowledged as part of one's life or identity. It is a way of severing ties and moving on from a particular relationship or situation.